Hi guys, welcome once again. Today we're going to be looking at the AnyTone AT-778V. I'm Gary Spears, M0TIG here at Martin Lynch & Sons. So let's get started. Okay, so the radio itself is just a simple 270 analog radio. You've got, I think it's 5 watts, 15 watts and 25 watts output power. You've got 3 different bandwidth settings from narrow, medium to wide. I've actually got this set on medium. It's a really nice colour screen, very easy to read, and it's very easy to use. It comes in the box with the power lead. I've got this all connected up. It comes with a mobile fitting kit, which I've actually got attached to this little white board. You get a spare fuse and obviously the manual. And for a change, for a cost-effective radio, this is a very good manual indeed. It's actually very easy to read. The microphone itself is a key entry microphone, very easy to use, and it's quite good quality. So that's basically the radio sort of summed up. What we'll do is we'll have a quick look at the workings of it and show you through the menu. So let's get cracking with that. This is the radio itself, and as you can see from the little screen here, it's colour. It's quite there's quite a lot of information on there, and it's very easy to use. You have a function button here that if you press very short press or a short press, it'll actually fly through an outside menu which you can access through these 6 buttons around the outside. A long press will take you into the main the main menu, which you can then use the channel select button to go through. And if there's something there particular that you want to access, you simply press the main button itself. That will take you into a sub menu, and again you can whiz through all this, and there's all sorts of things in there. To get back out of that, again you simply press the P3 or the back button, and then you can exit back to the main screen. The power output is very easy to get to. You simply press this very short press until the POW symbol comes up, and you just press P4. This will take you into a power selection menu. You can then select either high, medium or low. For instance, we're set on low, and you simply just press the enter button there, and it will go back to the voltage setting, and that's pretty much it. And as you can see, this is connected to a small aerial. You can actually see that it's just about 3.5 watts or so. So it's quite wide range frequency. You can do. It's quite a versatile radio. The menu is interesting in places where the things aren't in the same, or they're not in a usual set in a usual way. For instance, the CTCS tone is split into 2 pieces, which has confused some people. I think I've seen a couple of reviews on the web where people have had trouble setting that, but that's actually not the case. It's actually very easy to do once you've done it a few times. The radio itself, I mean, I can actually see this being very useful for people maybe with the Ofcom simple licenses that need a mobile solution. This can be programmed for the simple license frequencies very easily, and then set into, like they call it, a professional mode. So that's actually like a channel mode, which will then enable the user just to flick through predefined channels. The microphone itself is easy to use. You've got a big AB button on there which you can press and then flick between the 2 VFOs very simply. And when you actually receive any audio, for instance, that's tuned down to, say, where the buses are. I quite like the buses. Again, actually, when you're tuning, if you actually push this button here, it'll actually go down to the digit you want to change, and we can fly through the digits there. So let's whiz into that, so we can find some. There you go. Oh, there you go. The volume control is set. You press the volume symbol, which is P6, and then you can actually go back down through the volume, and the squelch is set the same way. But again, a lot of the controls you can actually do with the microphone itself. For instance, we can actually program in frequency direct from this, so we can say 145 500, and it changes on the set. And now we're obviously on the calling frequency. Again, the audio is pretty good from this, as you just heard. It's quite loud. It's very clear. It's, you know, as I say, and I did have one of these in my car for a couple of days, and talking to the guys here, and the reports have been very, very good. So by the time you've, if you want to, you can, you know, you could add maybe a small mag mount, you know, a car cigarette lighter or whatever, and it's a very cost-effective little setup for occasional use, maybe car to car on a holiday or whatever. It's very, very good, and as I say, this is well under £100 as it stands. So that's pretty much it, I think. Thanks for watching. I'm M0TIG, and by all means give us a call at the shop on 0345 2300599. That is right, isn't it, Henry? Good. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.